Hello, my name is Dory O'Neill. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes of your time to watch this short video. Let me ask you a quick question. If there was a way that you could easily and effectively reduce the amount of income tax you pay each and every year, would you be interested in learning more? Well, I'm sure the answer is yes, because who wouldn't want to be interested in learning how they could reduce their income tax? Virtually everyone. I know for myself, I don't like paying tax in any way. Well, let me ask you another question. Have you ever gone to a blockbuster movie? Perhaps it was James Cameron's Titanic or Avatar, and came out of that movie just bursting at the seams, wanting to tell your friends and family that they had to see that show, that movie? Of course you have. It's human nature to share good news. Well, I have good news for you. We have a very cost-effective way that you can reduce your income tax by thousands and thousands of dollars each and every year. How did I come to this information? Well, it was many years ago. One of my mentors shared with me a secret, and he said, Dory, the most important thing that you can do to reduce the amount of taxes that you pay is to own your own business. And so I've used that knowledge over the years. My companies have generated just under $1 billion of sales, and I've operated in numerous countries around the world. And so recently, I discovered a way that would allow the average person that had never owned a business before to take advantage of all of the tax benefits of owning a business. So get this, you can own a business that you can do part-time or full-time. You can work from the comfort of your own home. You can maintain your existing job. The investment to get involved in this business is as little as $2 a day, and your tax savings potentially are in the thousands. Well, I'm not an accountant, and I do highly recommend that you seek the advice of an accountant. I can tell you that over the years, having the ability to create and generate legitimate write-offs based upon marketing a concept has saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars in income tax all the way through. Well, remember I described the movie scenario where you saw a great movie and you wanted it to share that information with people you cared about? Well, if you discovered a way to save everyone you knew thousands of dollars in their income tax, wouldn't you want to share that information too? Of course you would. Well, what if I told you that by sharing this information, you were in a position that you could earn thousands and thousands of dollars of additional revenue in addition to the tax savings? Does that sound good? Well, of course it does. Well, that's what we have. We have a home-based business, and here are the highlights. You can get involved in this business for as little as $2 a day. You will get the benefits of being able to write off the expenses related to marketing that business. You can operate in 175 countries around the world, and probably the best part for most of you is there's no inventory. That's right, no inventory. You're not going to fill your closet full of pills, potions, lotions, vitamins, or anything of the sort. All of the products are delivered digitally around the world. We even give you the ability to accept Visa, MasterCard, and Discover all around the world. We allow you to accept currencies in over 175 countries. And the best part is, when you share this concept with other people, they're going to get information teaching and training them how to improve their lives, from relationships to better self-esteem, and of course how to earn more money, and ultimately how to save income tax. And so it's exciting and it's easy to do. So if you want to get more information on how all of this works and how exciting this program is, all you have to do is reach out to the person that invited you to watch this video and they'll share with you all of the details. My name's Dory O'Neill, and thanks very much for taking a few minutes of your time to watch this video. Goodbye.